Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to be showing you how to edit your Weebly website. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video to the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Weebly website right here at weebly.com if you're not already, and after opening it up, you'll be greeted by the main page where you want to first go ahead and log into your account. So in the upper right corner, if you have not already, log into your account where your website is, and after logging in successfully, you'll be greeted by this home page right here. This is the home page where the left side screen you can find all the sections we can use for managing our website, such as overview, website items, and so on. So let's go ahead and take a look at how we can get started with editing it. Basically guys, all we need is in this home page right here. This is where you can get started with editing your website. You can see here we have the start options. As you can see, when scrolling down, we can get started with setting up domains, adding items to sell, and so on. This is all the first steps to completing your website if you're new. But if you have already edited your website and completed all the steps, then what you want to do guys is click the edit site button right here. So in the upper right corner, you have the edit site button. That's going to enable you to click on it, and it's going to take you to the next page where you can get started with opening up the site editor, and we can get started. And after opening up the editor, it's going to look like this. So this is where you can get started. You can just click the skip button in the upper right corner and get started. So here we can get started managing everything we have, our badges, buttons, spacing. We can add anything you want. Here is a preview of how your site looks. So here is the preview. You can choose if you want to look it for mobile and so on. And you can get started editing everything you have. So once you're satisfied and you want to preview, you can add a preview right here or publish it for everybody to see. And this is how you can get started with editing your website. And it's easy as that. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.